Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Tiddy Twister from Lorna Recipes. Now, their list on Facebook is kind of explicit, so we're going to do the Tiddy Twister this time, because why the hell not, I guess. It's another shot, and what you're going to need is Bailey's. You'll need a cinnamon liqueur. You can choose Fireball, you can choose Cooper's Hot Cinnamon Schnapps, you can choose Goldenschlager, anything of those above, and that should work. Coffee liqueur, it does recommend using Kahlua, but I don't have Kahlua anymore. I have Kimura, which is just a straight up coffee liqueur. And you will also need butter shots, because that is very specific. It just says butter shots. I was going to do, butter shots is a butterscotch schnapps. So let's go ahead and get down to making it. Now everything is equal parts. I am going to go for the 1 ounce version so I can try it again. But each one of these is a ½ ounce, and I'm gonna go for a full ounce for all of them. So if you want to just do a shot for yourself, or do a 2 ounce glass of it, do it that way. All right, so let's go ahead and get down into making it. I'm gonna go for 1 ounce, which is a ½ ounce of our Irish cream or Bailey's into our shaker. I'm gonna add that last, because now I'm thinking about it. Actually, is it cinnamon whiskey or cinnamon liqueur? It is whiskey, because it's 66 proof and not 33. Okay, so we're gonna do coffee liqueur next, so a ½ ounce of that. Whiskey and Irish cream don't go together. An ounce of our butterscotch schnapps. That's the word I'm looking for. And I'm half tempted to just layer it. No, I can't layer it on. The one that I'm looking for is this. Should we layer it? Maybe we should layer it, because this is whiskey. This one is whiskey. It doesn't say liqueur at the bottom. It says whiskey. So if I try to shake this, it's gonna curdle like a motherfucker. So I'm thinking I'm gonna shake that, and then we'll just add the whiskey on top. So let's do that. Now we shake. All right, we shaked it up enough probably. We're gonna just yeet that in there, and then we are going to douse it with our Fireball, and then immediately take it, because the Irish cream will curdle in this. So here we go. Here we go. That's interesting. You can really taste the coffee butterscotch schnapps version of it, with a little bit of Irish cream, like that creaminess to it. And then Fireball just takes over and says, "It's now my domain, bitch." That's pretty much the exact thing of it. It's just like, yeah, this is mine now. Fuck you. I'm not a huge coffee fan, so the biggest thing for the aftertaste is like the coffee and cinnamon schnapps all together. So if you're a big fan of like that kind of combo, I'd highly recommend doing this. But if you're not, like me, I wouldn't highly recommend doing this at all. But I guess, for sake of, we're doing it again, because we're psychos. Just to make sure I got everything down. Yeah, it comes in with that creamy butterscotch schnapps combo, and then just kind of eases into a coffee cinnamon. It's kind of interesting. It's a little different from everything, but I'm not a huge fan of coffee. It kind of reminds me of some things that happened in the past. Like, our teacher gave us a literal coffee bean to chew on, and we did, and I don't like it. That was an interesting time in my life. Anyways, yeah, so this is not too bad for me anyways, but if you're a coffee lover, I would highly recommend this shot. It's fucking mint. I don't want to say mint. It was fucking pretty good. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.